Our business services are formatting, downloading, installing, printing, and basic computer tutorial.
Carlo, buksan mo yung ilaw.
Being a high school student is not easy. We all know that we need extra money, so our group decided to build a small business which is capable for a student like us. We are going to build the formatting, downloading, installing, and printing business.
Purpose: to help other people in formatting, downloading, installing, and printing. To have a good and healthy relationship to our fellow colleagues.
Vision: we are aiming to have another business from here, like having a net cafe with a large number of computers.
Capital: since we have computer, printer, and internet in our home, we don't need a big capital. We only need 1,000 pesos for our capital for our other materials like paper, printing paper, and extra ink.
Here suggested price. Download. 20 pesos per song, minimum of 10 songs. 10 pesos per games in Android phones. 50 pesos per movie. Installing. 100 pesos per one software and 250 pesos for free software.
Format: 300 pesos with free installing. Ay, kaya lang mga namin yung
Wait. Black and white 3 pesos and colored 5 to 10 pesos.
Unbeatable hackers. Luis, stress lang kayo din ng 91 Ina de la Street, takas na mga Lord Banta, kaso
Kaninong address?
Amen, sir.
Sa bahay nila Jermin niya. Sa buong pinay, sir.
Business yan, business.
Business.